Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to do this right here, this unboxing of the giveaway prize that I have won on Manscaped, and Starcom Racing is on their Instagram page. I can't believe I've won. Here it is, the actual giveaway prize. I can't believe it. So we're gonna open it up. Oh my god. And here's what's inside so far. Let me show you guys here. There you go, see? And then we're just gonna go in. First thing you'll get is some type of letter. This says, "Hi Michael, congratulations on winning the Manscaped and Starcom Racing giveaway. We hope you enjoy the perfect package 2.0 filled with the essentials to achieve the perfect Manscaped look. We look forward to seeing future posts of you using our products and sharing with friends, family, and fans about how much you enjoy using our products. Don't forget to tag us at Manscaped and hashtag Manscaped Giveaway, Manscaped Movement. Enjoy your perfect package 2.0 and welcome to Team Manscaped. Best, Brittany Sutherland, social media manager at Manscaped." I can't believe it's here. Oh my gosh. So first, which I'm shocked that I got, I can't believe I actually got it, is the carrying pouch. And it's got like, oh, it's that nice smooth, like almost like a silk, or like a, no, it's got like a velvet texture to it on the top here. And then as you can see, got the Manscaped logo. It's your traveling bag. Like that. See, and then it also has, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's got a few pockets for like your blades. You can put your razor, any shavers, anything like that in here. Different size heads. And it also has, if you look right here, it's got a pocket on the inside too for anything else that you need. So here's that. And then now we're going to go into what I think is like the best thing ever, in my opinion. These. Look at these. And like it's a real newspaper. It honestly, it's a real newspaper. It's not like no fake paper plastic type stuff, you know what I mean? Like this is legit. This is real. Like, yeah. I can't believe it. Oh my god. So here's that. Hold it up properly here. My god, you guys, this is looking so fucking sick. And here we have the plow. Oh my god, the straight bladed razor. Go and open this quick. Yeah, just like in the video. Oh my god, see, it is there, and you have different blades. I can't believe it, yo, like, holy fuck. I actually won. And got the little mirror too. Can't wait to try this out. Next product we have is this here, the ball deodorant. Now, this I'm actually kind of looking forward to because it's got an active pH balance in it, so it always makes sure that you're always smelling clean and fresh down there. Let me see what it says. Take a shower, then towel off until your goodies are dry. Then you rub a small amount of crop preserver onto your balls. Let it air dry before getting dressed. So there is this. Right here. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Next we have the Crop Reviver. And this is more for a Revive Your package when you need to perk things up with a spritz or two of Crop Reviver. So if you have like a date or something like that, or you just want a quick little refresher, you just open up your pants, top part, squirt, squirt, or a little squirt, and there you go. ASMR. Yeah, there you go. And the piece de resistance. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The Lawnmower 2.0. I am so excited. I can't believe it. So we're going to open it up. Oh my god. We're going to open it up though. Slide it out. There we go. As you'll see, when you pull it out the box, it comes in like this here. But if you also notice on the back is your the charging cord that you need, as well as a little traveling bag to put your razor and whatnot in. See? With the Manscaped logo on it. So your razor or your mower and then your bits, your heads can go in here too. You'll travel and then you'll pull it tight and there you go. I'm set, good to go. Okay, and this too, it's like a very nice, like a velvety, silky texture to it. It feels really nice. So here it is. This is it. This is it. Like, it's here. I don't know if you can hear that. No, I'm gonna go and get my razor just to compare like the quietness and the size and especially the blades too. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the razor that I'm currently using. Okay. Manscaped. So much smaller and like it feels better in the hand. Yes, it's lighter, but it feels like it's more because of the curve to it. Like it's more contoured for the hand as compared to this. It's not really because of got this big side here and then this little, like it's too, like you can't really get in there, so to speak. You know what I mean? But here at least, yeah, see, compared to, see how it's like curved and lifted at the same time? And then this one is just completely flat. Yeah, I'm already, I haven't even tried it yet and I'm already thankful I have this. I can finally get rid of this. I don't have to worry about no nicks, no scratches, no nothing, no scab, nothing. I'm gonna go flip into, pull this out and this out. Here are the two different blade sizes. I mean, if you do have a forest down there, you're gonna need to trim the hedges before you can cut the grass. So, in different sizes, depending on the thickness of hair you have down there. And then we're going to, let's obviously open this up because this has to just be verified and make sure everything's okay. There we go. Here's the little plug thing for it. And then I also given a little brush to clean off all the hairs in your razor. So I'm just going to put this back in here. And close that up. So now, because I'm really excited to use it and I don't want to like dirty it or anything, so I'm going to put it all back in its case and in the box. There we go. And also with Manscaped, it gives you obviously like your basic instructions on how to assemble the plow. You'll see here. There you go. And then as well as here too, just like a quick tip on what to do, what not to do, just to be careful and your caution, obviously. And it also gives you on the back here an instruction guide on how you should assemble things and use shit properly. And we also have this here. This is just your basic quick little 1-2, how you doing, love you, thank you. And I've already showed you this. So yeah, that is my unboxing video for today using the Manscaped products that I won in their giveaway. I am going to officially give these a try out and see how they perform versus my other razor. And I will be back to upload that video soon. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching my video, and please do me the biggest favor, and it's most greatly appreciated if you could like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos every single week. It varies on the day that I upload them, but I do upload every single week. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.